Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new quick and easy face painting tutorial with Simone, and for today she is creating this Frankenstein for us. The base of this face paint is done with just a regular face painting sponge, and on it is the amazing color by Maroon Paradise. This is Amazon green. It is a beautiful color of green, and once the Amazon green is on there, we put some spots in there with dark green, also by Maroon Paradise. Then the base is done and we can continue to black. So Simone is creating very bushy eyebrows with the black by Diamond Effects. This is the essential black, and the same black is used to create all the lines on the face. So there will be a few wrinkles, and obviously we do need an outline for our face paint. And the hair of our Frankenstein is just as bushy as his eyebrows, so you just want to put all little stripes on top of the design to create this. Once that is on there, Simone has just a dry brush. This is the Linda brush by FBFX, and she uses it to blend the black to the green. And then it's time for highlights, which obviously go on the skin using white. So put a bit of white stripes in those eyebrows and also on the hairs. And then we put a few highlights just next to those black lines, and that really makes this design pop. A lovely stencil by Badass, the dark green once again for the lipstick. And with that, our Frankenstein face painting tutorial for today is done. So if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.